Welcome everyone. Are you ready for the live streaming? Okay, let's get right to it. If you can hear my voice, just say hi or react, okay? So let's get this started, guys. HUT is exploding, guys. It's exploding. It's the next AMC. Good day, Hell Gates. Good day to you, man. How's trading for today? I think some stocks is actually doing alright today. HUT, guys, who traded HUT is look delicious. Welcome everybody. Let's go right to it. Bless the like button, guys, on the way in. Don't forget this. Loud and clear. Yes. It's good, guys, on Thursday. Hunting for Thursday. Who prefer Friday and Thursday for live streaming? Good day, hunters. Okay, guys. Everybody, let me know what's you trading right now. Like, what's you on the like the stock on your list. Nice. Let make the 9% to 90%. Okay, Hellgates. Let's make it 90%, then 900%, then 9,000%. Compounding, okay? Yes. I got a lot of comments, guys, about doing the live streaming on Thursday because we could actually hunt on Friday, you know? We don't want to miss the opportunity to load the boat on the Friday. Yes. So I did the video, guys, about HUT. As we said, guys, we're gonna test the $9, and we did today, and we have a hold up, perfect hold up, you see, above the $9, and we have a support right now. If we hold this, guys, oh man, it's going up, man. It's going to 12, this one. So yeah, this stock is on fire right now. And yeah, we have a bit of slowing in volume, however, it's still good, yeah, if we hold this support. And for MAT, guys, as well, doing a video today as well for this one. It's doing good. As we said, guys, we have a confirmation here for AMAT after this sell-off. I told you guys we did the video lately. I said this support, we have a bouncing candle here from our support precisely around the $4. And look with me, a big wick. And this, when we said there is a conjunction area here and there's explosion happening. That's what happened. A gap, guys, a gap. And now we above right now, holding up, not like before. We holding up, guys, and we still doing higher lows. There's another explosion coming up, okay, for AMAT. And last time we almost test the resistance. Right now we're gonna test it for sure. Last time we went $5.77. This one we gonna see the $6, guys. There's a big chance we're gonna see the $6.26 around this area if we exploded right. This time, the next explosion, you should take a profit around the $6.28 and the $6, okay? Here will be a massive rejection and test for MAT. The last test for MAT before the massive explosion. This area, guys. Just be careful from this one. And what else we have? Palantir, SDC, LKCO, what we have here? We have a lot of requests, guys. So we have to organize this thing, okay? So we started with MAT. We're gonna go to Palantir and SDC. So guys, you're requesting a stock. So one of your stock one of the stock that been requested here will explode, okay? So we have to be cautious and at the same time focus to I don't know, like to find the one, you know, because there's a lot of stock been requested lately in the live streaming and they exploded really big, guys. So right now we need to have a clear mind and see which stock that will explode next week and we hunt it together, okay? So let's start with Palantir and yeah, Goku. Okay, this one, let's start with Goku, then we go to Bilkni. Okay. Let's start with Goku and see if this stock have potential. We already cover, I think, Express, I think. Okay, for this one, look with me, guys. We hit with the resistance here, $7.60. Break the support, guys, so I will be extra careful for this one. And yeah, let me see the volume a bit. Yeah, for this one is a bit tricky, guys. For this one is a bit tricky because as we said, we're gonna see a test for this ascending line. Might be around the $4.50. So be careful from this one because we bounce below the support, and we saw a hold up here, you see, but the price didn't hold. We see a bit of hold up, you see a bit of green candle, and the price hold above the $5.90, then price went down. So I will not touch it right now until we find the support, and the perfect support will be around this ascending line. Will be perfect bounce, guys, perfect bounce. I don't know when will it be because it will be a gravitation here, then there's a test will happen again around the $5.95. if we get rejected, is mean in the future around here, maybe around the next month or this month we're gonna be gravitating around the $4.50 would be good, unless we have the price go above again above the $6. I would be interesting, but right now I will not touch it, okay? And for what we actually have, yeah, Palantir, guys. Be big, root, any MAT, capital MC, my main one today. Okay. What? Yeah, AMC. We're gonna go to AMC shortly. Workhorse as well. LKCO. Okay, let's see Palantir very quick. Okay, Palantir has a bit of cloud of resistance coming up. As we predicted, guys, we're gonna see a rejection here around the 2750, okay? If we got rejected, we're gonna see a test again around the 25. So this is the last resistance for Palantir if we want to go to 30. Is around the 27, guys, 40. 27.45, okay? We are really near. We are really near this technical area. And what else we have? Yes, for LKCO, it's still holding above the support that we draw, and we see a bit of hold up above this ascending line. Yes, and we have this indecision candle right now. I will have an eye close about this candle, okay? If it turns red, will be really not good. If it turns green, it will be really good because we're gonna see the price go until above here where we put our this indication. If we have the price just close above this time, this ascending line around the $1.60 will be a good indication for the next week. If not, we're gonna see the price is still holding up here to recharge. Any price hold above this support will be good, okay? Because right now we are in the charging box here. We're still in charging. Any price get rejected here, we're gonna go down until we have like interest for investors to buy around like a good price around the $1.50, until we see a good momentum to go over this reaction of the box here. And what we else we have Sensionic, yeah, Sensionic is already doing good. We tested the resistance precisely around the $4.13, and we went down again. So yeah, it's doing good actually. Sensionic doing good after this selling off that happened at the last day of the month. So yeah, as I said, Sensionic, we have a target around the $4.34, the big squeeze, guys, because today we had our target, the $4.13. So the big target is the $4.34 to see a massive squeeze until the 5. For AMC, double top, we got double top, as we said in the last live streaming. Buying pressure happened around the 39, and right now, as we said again, we're gonna see a test around the 41 and the last support, as I said. And today we saw a bit buying pressure happening precisely near our support, and this is show that this support is really important for AMC to hold. If we don't hold it, we're gonna see the price go back around in the future, maybe around the 38 again here. Okay, because this is our ascending line that we draw, and we bounce from it twice. There's a third bounce if we have a price go from here. I will hunt it around this area, around the 38. If we don't hold here, so this would be really important to have a squeeze really soon. If we hold the 41. This time we're gonna see the 52, guys, not the 48, because the 48 act as a really strong support, resistance right now, because this double top that we did lately. And yeah, SDC, we never covered this before. Clifton, how you doing, brother? One of my elite hunters is here. Welcome. So, of course, Clifton, of course, elite hunters come first. So we're gonna take a XRP, and let us see what's going on with it right now. Okay. Okay, XRP, so is a crypto play. Okay. For this one, okay, there's a massive resistance test right now around the $1.29. Okay, this is a really important level for XRP. And yeah, we see a lot of rejection area right now. We have triple top around this $1.29. If we got rejected, I will expect the price getting buying pressure around the $1.19. So I'll be extra careful any rejection, because we already got rejected. If you see here, you see we got a massive rejection here, but buying pressure happening above our expansion average. So I'll be extra careful. If the price go to $1.19, I will buy here. Will be a really nice buying pressure here, and we're gonna see a bounce again from this level if we hold. Okay, $1.19 is good. $1.29 exploding from it. This is a massive turning point, and we're gonna see higher price for XRP for this one, and we might see even the price go like for this time. If we just respected this level, the $1.29, yeah, to the $1.29, we're gonna see the $1.45, and for the next explosion. Just if we just hold this level right now. There's another level, really crazy. Okay, we have another level right now, the $1.24. So if we hold this level by today and tomorrow, because crypto trading is open 24 hours. So if we hold above the $1.24, this time we're gonna see a try for exploding from this $1.20, and any price close here, just be ready to hunt for and take the profit around this area for 15% or 13% for this one. Okay, will be a really nice trade, safe trade for this one if we just exploded this time and hold above the $1.24. And one else, okay guys, yeah, we have what do you think about KPLT? I don't know if we covered this before in the live streaming, because it doesn't bring a bill for me. And we have another one is SDC. I think we didn't cover this as well. So let me take SDC and put it in the list, and put this as well on the list. So let's start first with this one. Okay, we covered this before, yeah. Look with me guys, we talked about it in the last streaming, and we have double top, and I told you guys take your profit here, and right now we hold the support again. Let me take this off. So look exactly what's happening guys. Right now we are in tight range between the $4.44 and the $5.80, and now we're seeing a buying pressure happening again. So by tomorrow, if we get rejected here, I will it would be a big sign of weakness, okay, and big sell-off will happen this time or never. If we just exploded from here, we're gonna see a test until the $7.76. Just be careful from this one. If you want to trade, you can, of course. However, put your stop loss before the $4.44, because if we close here, there is a big sign of weakness, and the price will do even lower lows this time, okay? So this one, you can actually trade it. However, stop loss really tight below the $4.27, and just take your profit. If we exploded from like the resistance level around the $5.86, would be the $7.76. There's another strategy. You could actually get in around the $6.11 and take the profit here, okay? Because here we're gonna see a lot of volatility and hyped price, and the price will get rejected around this area, and you just get out before we're gonna see the rejection. And what else we have? Yeah, we have this one. Okay, for this one, Smile Direct Club Incorporation. This one we have already tested the gap. Pretty good for this one, because we have tested the gap right now. Not right now, but if we go closer, it was around the 30th of August. We have this gap. Yeah, we have this gap, and we have the test. So look with me closely guys. After this rejection, we have the price charging up again. This is a good sign, okay? A rejection, then the price is still holding and doing higher lows. This is a good indication, really good indication. So this is just a market maker test for this price action, and then right now we'll see a genuine test after this price, and we're gonna see the price go above the $6 this time. I will predict for this time, if we're really lucky, we go until the $7.20. If you want to be sure, just around the $6.61 will be a really good taking profit for this one. And we might go really high for this one, of course, around the $9, but will be my target first around the $6, then I will get in again, okay? The $6 rejection, if we close above, we're gonna see another target, which is the $9 for this one. Yeah, this one actually look a bit unpromising. Of course, Clifton. Guys, we try to make money here. We not socializing, okay? We just make money and straight to the information. Why talking, okay? Because we see a lot of YouTubers just talk and they never actually give you the information. Here I'm around my channel, give you straight information at the same time educational one. So you learn and you can actually build your strategy, okay? So this is what's the main essence of our videos. If you're new here, and let's see what's going on again. Yeah, SOS. I think SOS we covered before in the live streaming, but let's check SOS again. Okay. Let's see SOS. Yes, we have a lot of resistance guides for SOS. Okay, for SOS, if we go really near, we have good momentum coming up for SOS, and kind of we have another test will happen around the $3.14 this time again. Okay, we have the test. No, we already tested again. Yeah, the resistance actually lowered around the $3.03 and we got rejected right now around the $3. So yeah, I will expect the price will have a lot of momentum if we just close for our candle above the $3.06 in order to test the $3.50. For this one will be pretty good if we go around the $3, not 50 even, but the $3.74 will be even good for SOS. So the big target will be really bigger for SOS. It's coming up. So we just need to close above this technical area, the $3.06. Okay, we're pretty good. Pretty close. And again, we have a massive selling pressure. However, we have this candle. It still didn't close, but we have to see it close with this wick. Will be perfect, okay, for SOS. Would be really great. It means there's a big buying pressure after this selling pressure. A lot of people sell, but there is met with a lot of buying pressure. That's why we see this wick. And what we have here again. Thank you. Yes, good words actually. Information to earn and learn. Thank you. And yes, Workhorse, we didn't cover it. Workhorse is down. Okay, let's check Workhorse guys, because some of you said is down. Let's try to save it. Yes, it's down, but it got bought back really before the support here. So it's kind of going to do double bottom again around the $8.50. Yes, it's kind of, because we have a massive rejection expected, as we said guys, the $10.24. Look, like when you take a profit, guys, you save yourself from this jump down, okay? So you be ready to buy around the support. If you sell here, as we said in live streaming, around the $10.24, you be ready to buy around the $8.50. You see, you save yourself how much? Like almost 15%. So you don't have to average down, but you come fresh and you just buy around the $8.50 and you see the price bounce until the $9.40 and you just take your profit and go. Okay. What else? Absolutely. what else we have? Hi, April. Happy to see you here. You came early today. That's good. And what else? Yeah, be big, be big. Celine Son. Yes, Celine Son. Celine Son. Let's see, be big. Because it have a lot of selling pressure, guys. Unfortunately, be big have a lot of selling pressure lately. And usually, look with me, guys. Usually, guys, when a stock go really up, like, come on, like from the $2 until almost the $10, you know what's happened? A lot of short sellers will be triggered by those kind of stocks, will be more like appealing to short, you know, because there's a juicy profit. Okay, this is kind of the norm right now. The short sellers actually have like a gag or a scale. Any stock like go parabolic up, they go first for the fundamental and check if the stock actually have a proven fact that is not artificially been bumped like AMC or something like this, and they see if the fundamental doesn't support the technical, they short the stock. That's what happened with a lot of stock. If the stock backed with a lot of apes, like what happened with AMC, we're gonna see a short squeeze. Simple as that. So for be big, guys, we have a big selling pressure around the $9, guys. The $10 is a psychological level. We warned you guys to take a profit here. That's why the price went down. After the price went down, what happened? Boom. The support is here to bounce from. And the $6, we said it again. And again, we got rejected big time around the $9.10. This time we went until the $9, $11. However, the price didn't hold above the 11. So this is simple as that. So like when you see the price go up like this and doesn't hold above the resistance, it means get rejected, okay? So yeah, this one we have a massive resistance right now around the $9.50. Confirmed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not just one. 4 candles rejected around the $9.50. So I'll be extra careful. I need a closing candle above the $9.50 this time to see the price go above the 12 or maybe even the 12 this time, okay? So big will be a big have a big momentum coming up if we just hold this level. Oh. No. Okay. The goat, I made a lot because of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Happy to hear. Okay, what else we have? Let me see. Okay, let me see another thing from you guys. Yeah, Goku is CEI. We already covered it. We already did the video about it. VET, we're gonna see it right now. Flow Lifty, we're gonna see it right now. And what else we have? The good emit. Okay. OPTT. Yes, of course. Hi, Nicole. Hi, Nicole. Happy to see you here. You come early today. Okay, now what we gonna do is like this and see this one. Okay, we have this one, really interesting. The volume is okay, almost 2 million, it's good. The price is around the $7. And if we go here, and we have the price actually jumped until the 5, so this is a bit worrying sign. Right now, guys, we have a massive test around this area. Wait a second, let me get clear. Yes, a massive test for this area. Yes, around the $7, guys. Really important level for our stock. If we got rejected, we're gonna see a support this time at least around this level, around the $6.39. If we exploded from here, I will have my profit around this area, around the $8.28. Would be a really important level to have. The next one, let me take your question, guys. Okay, let's take a Clifton first. OPTT, guys. And yes, let's see. OPTT, yes, this one. Okay. We have earning coming up at the 14th of September. However, the last earning is always in negative. So we don't have to bother by the earnings for this one. And yeah, for this one, I will be extra careful because I don't like kind of the chart. However, we have the support, really strong support around this area. We'll put my notification bell around the $1.80 because this is the most important support. And we have kind of resistant right now, and we testing it precisely right now. You see, we got even rejected. Guys, this one I think is gonna explode. This one I will put it on my watch list, okay? This one, it looks juicy. Okay, thank you. We got one, guys. We got one. Okay, for this one, guys, if we just close above this level, the $2 and wait a second, the $2.30, okay? If we close above it, we have a closing candle. For our candle, the price will explode again. At least for this one, I will have my profit just in case. The sooner the better. Will be $2.55, and the big one will be around the $3. Okay, the big one will be around the $3.22. $3.22. If you're adventurous enough, okay, you take the profit around the $3.22. The massive explosion, 40%. And the first one will be 11%, okay? So my strategy would be take a bit of profit here, like 30%, 40%, and the other one around the $3.22. And this would be perfect. And again, this one, if we hold above the $2.55 without rejection, the $3.22 would be the next target. So I'll put it on my watch list. Actually, it will happen like pretty soon, maybe even by tomorrow, this one. Okay, let me put it on the other list. OPTT. I will put it on my list here. OPTT. I will add it here. Now let's hunt again and see what we have here. And thank you, April. Thank you. It's all because of you guys. Yes, Nicole, join us. Okay, let's take Nicole. Nicole, AMC, we cover it. NEO and CLSK, we didn't cover it yet. Okay, let's take CLSK. So Nicole just cover this and let's see. Okay. Okay, so this one kind of good. Yeah, kind of good. However, we've been downtrending a lot, guys. This one is a bit bearish, okay? Still bearish. When it started to be bullish, this will be a really good question if you ask me, and will be around the 20. For this one will be around the 20 to change the momentum. However, right now I will be extra careful because the next support for this one, the strongest support, I will put my notification on. The $7.24 would be perfect support. Right now we have a massive rejection area coming up. Even if we got above around this level, we gonna see a test. If we got rejected right now around the 15, guys, here the 1550, this will be a big sign that the price will go through the $7.24. Will take time, of course. We're gonna take time to go there. Just put your notification. If we hit here, just buy. Okay, this will be easier. Just execute. That's what I do. I put notification just for execution, you know. I forgot. Sometimes I put notification, guys. Imagine I just put notification for months and I've been triggered, and guess what? Like the price will be triggered on my portfolio. I just buy, you know. If there's sell limit, I just sell. Don't think. Then when I go back to my portfolio and check my gains and things like this, I see like I did my strategy and I cover everything before and to hit our target, you know. So this is a good strategy for you guys to cut your emotion. Just put notification, execute upon your price action, okay? Yeah, guys, blast the like button. Yes. You're right, April. Why there's the 36 watchers and just 20 likes? Yeah, this is wrong math, guys. I think YouTube is have like a bug or something, you know? Okay. And yes, MAT we covered in the beginning. You can check the video at the beginning, so we don't have to cover it again because we have a lot of requests. And where is second? Let me check again what we have here. Yes, BKF Moro just asked about Lucid and what's my opinion. Okay, because Lucid, guys, they have a bit bad news. Like we cover it lately, and however, we talked about the support and we hold above the support as we said precisely, and the price is still jumping. You see, guys, the price went down from our support. However, we didn't close the day below it. We have a closing candle above it, and this is give us a confirmation to get in, okay? So that's why the price is gravitating up and today is going up. So right now, Lucid is trying to fill the gap here. So I will try to have like there's a massive test will happen around this area around the 19 before the 20, guys. We're gonna see a massive test for Lucid. Okay, the 2095 is the explosion phase. However, we're gonna see a rejection. This is a normal reaction. After this gap, there's a lot of people got cut here, so we're gonna see a trigger of a profit taking. Okay, however, we want to hold above the 1764. Whatever it happened, 1764 is the important price right now to hold if we don't want to go to the 14. Yes. Aha. Yes, we have a lot of requests around BITF from T-Bone. Yes, we got a lot of requests from this one. Let's check it out, guys. Let's check this out together. Bitfarm, yeah. Let's see what's going on. Okay. This one we covered before as well. We exploded from the resistance. We went until the 7. However, this one is, we don't have a much target above, and we said around this, this is kind of resistant right now, not the support. And yeah, so this one I will be extra careful because we hit the resistance and we didn't hold the support. And we have so many candles below our support right now. So I'll be extra careful from this one. We might actually go down again to test the $4.42 again. So I will be extra careful because we have a bit of gap here around the $6.33. And we see a struggle, you see, for the price. Even the price doing higher lows. And I will be extra careful from this one. Okay. Nicole, you really do like trading options. How many options you have already open right now? Kyle, we have Kyle asking about Dillard's. I don't know what this one. We never covered it before, I think. Okay, Kyle. I will check this out right now. Okay, is this one? Because we didn't find it on the Nasdaq. Is this the one in Germany? Can you just confirm, because we can't find it? And okay. Okay, let's cover FCUV for Jazz. And why Hell's Gate? Why options have become your favorite? Okay, let's take this off. Whoa. Okay, for this one, it look like it exploded last month. No, at the beginning of this At the beginning of this September, it was really crazy, like 300% for this one. Okay, Focus Universe and Corporation, ticker symbol is FCUV. And we have the average volume 7 million. Okay, for this one, let me see. Yeah, we've been barcoding for months for this one since, wow. Yeah, for this one, I will expect the price, if it got back to support, I think will go around the $12.30. And because right now we see a bit of slowing momentum, and the price is like have rejection around the 25. Yeah, so I'll be extra careful for this one, but I will load if the price go around the 12.30 for this one. Yeah, would be really interesting for 12.30 for this one. The wild ride. So you're addicted, guy. This is kind of addiction, guys, you know? If you like something but you can explain it, it means you're addicted to it. You're addicted to thrill. Okay. Okay, BITF. And this one, we already covered it. Okay, this Bitfarm we already covered it. And the other one that we didn't cover is TCAT, yeah. Peter Ban asked about it, if it is over for the run-up or not. Really good question. Guys, look with me what happened for this one. TCAT, we already covered it. We said the price will hit the rejection around the 14. We did it, and we said the price will hit with the support around the $9.22. We got back around the $9.50, precisely, nearly. And then the price went up, and this time hit our resistance precisely. Okay, and this is normal. That's why I told you guys, always take your profit, okay, around the 14.23. And we didn't see a closing candle here. That's why we got a rejection. So we predicted the price, if we close above the 14.23, we're gonna see the 17 and the 23. However, we didn't. We met with rejection. So why speak right now? We need to hold this last technical level in order to see the price go above again. And if we didn't, would be a sign of weakness, kind of. Around the 11, guys. We need to hold above the 11, okay? This would be it for TCAT. Above the 11 would be good. Here we bounce, and this time we gonna see explosion until the 17. If we hold above the 11 this week or the next week, okay? This would be not still. There's a chance of another explosion, okay? And this would be a correction, actually. How many addiction you have? To be honest, Hellgates, everybody have addiction. Some way, somehow, you have an addiction, okay? Nobody perfect. It depends. Pick your addiction. You could actually be kind of like doing gym every day, and the sensation of burning of muscle, kind of. This is a good addiction, you see? But there's a bad addiction and good addiction. So pick your addiction pretty be cautious with it. April, GSAT and Goku METX. Okay, let's see right now what's going on. Okay. Wow, this one is kind of good. Even after we explode. Okay, let me do this. Yeah, it's perfect. Kind of really perfect bounce from our ascending line perfectly, because we have it here. We covered this before, guys. Like we did a lot of pre-market update for this one, and we talked about this ascending line. Really important ascending line. Really beautiful. Look, still we respected actually. Yes, we're already still a respected. So yeah, for this one still uptrending and going back to ascending line. So for this one I will expect the price go until at least the $2.78. We went until the $2.40, and we're gonna see a lot of testing and rejection in the way. So this time we have a buying pressure precisely above the $2. So for this one, I will expect the price, if we hold this like around the $2.15, would be really good. Would be like the next week we're gonna see the $2.78. If we just have this, like the bounce from $2.15, would be perfect. Okay. If not, we're gonna see the consolidation around the $2 or even $1.90 before we go up again. This would be the turning point. Any price hold above this ascending line, simple as that. We're gonna see the $2.78 and still bull run for GSAT. Saline Sun, we talked about LKCO in the beginning. And pumping, guys. Is this a ticker or? Thank you, Riz Khan. Thank you. You are the man. And yeah, Goku METX. Sorry, I just forget you. I don't know if we put it here. METX. Wow. This one hit our target. Almost hit our target. We said resistant here, guys. Wait a second. We have the jump in the 1st of September. We covered this, guys, in the last streaming, like, I don't know, like when the price was here last month. And we talked about the resistance and testing area around the $9, $0.99. And the price was the $0.93. And we hit with rejection. And boom, a gap, big gap happened to it. Today even, you see? So now we doing higher lows, testing for the other resistance right now. So for this one, guys, I will not touch it, okay? We still like doing higher lows. And right now the resistance lower around the 0.51. So this is pretty dangerous. Okay, this is pretty dangerous. I will not touch it, Goku. Goku, don't touch this one, okay? It's a bit risky. So if you want to risk it, we might see the price go above the 0.52, and next bounce will be around the 0.73. So this will be capitalization around this technical area. Will be 43% up. If we just close above the 0.52, we're gonna see a test of 0.73. This will be a plausible and doable, okay? Okay, what we have. Okay, let's check something. Uh-huh. Yeah, let's check something up. So this is the most heavily trending stock on Wall Street bet in the last 24 hours. We have this one, CHWY. And yeah, this is new, guys. Let us discover this one. Wow, this one is heavily shorted. It's gapped as well. Yes, that's why it's heavily talked about in Wall Street Bet. So for this one, I will be extra intrigued if the price went to until the 76. Perfect price, guys. Would be a really discount price if we went here. And we have a pretty bad earnings for this one. 154. You see, lately we have a really good earnings. That's why the prices still hold up. However, right now we have a really bad earnings. So if we don't hold the 70, we're gonna see the price go until the 65. This is look ugly, you know. And yeah, this one is a bit heavily shorted because the earning and it's triggered by Wall Street Bet right now. A lot of people shorting it right now. And we have we have best, we have hope. Really funny. Will, love, hope, will. Okay, we can actually build the words here, guys. So between wish, love, hope, best, and will. Can you actually build a sentence from that? Will, love, wish, will, best, hope. I don't know. I don't know if you are good with building sentences. You can actually build. This is funny because the stocks actually right now try to have a catchy name, you know, for people on Wall Street Bet to pick it. Trading View. I use in Trading View. It's really good for charting. Clipped on NEBT. Look at it. Okay, I'm really intrigued right now to look at this one. Whoa. It's funny that they've been having bad earnings since since last year, and the price has been down since that year, and right now we've been doing lowest lows for this year. Even after we gapped the 0.90, we went down from $1. So yeah, for this one is really bad as well. This one really bad. For this one is really bad. If you want to short it, would be perfect, you know. However, sometimes we have big jumps for this one. So I will expect, okay, this will be kind of swing trade. I will expect the price will test the gap again, okay, around the 0.90. There's a test will happen. If we just go over this resistance, Boom. The 0.72. If we just passed it, the coming days, it means there's a test around this technical area here. If we just pass this resistance around the 0.72. Well, my best hope, love, and wish is game. Oh man, this is a good one. Good, this is a good one. Wow, you made it, man. Okay. Okay, let's go through Martina, please, again. Let's check this one. Wow, this one is ready actually again to test the resistance. Okay, for this one we break, guys. We break the resistance, then the supports become the resistance again. We didn't hold, okay? So I will be extra careful because I don't like this kind of behavior. After we break in the resistance, we don't hold it and we make it the resistance again. So look at this kind of scenario. Yes, right now we have a really strong resistance again because the last test, it doesn't hold after this jump that we did here. So I'll be extra careful from this reaction right now here. I will be extra careful from this level. Around the 400, okay? The 411. Still not going up, but however, we're still doing higher lows here, and the price is still squeezing after this massive jump. So I will be extra careful, as I said, around the 400, okay? 413 will be a massive test again to see the test for the 500 this time. But yeah, I don't like it, guys. I don't like it. Because right now will be the turning point, this price, you see? And if the price closed next time here, the price will go really down this time. Really down. Okay, around maybe the $2.40. I will hunt around this area, okay? $2.20, 185. Here I will be interested. However, right now we too high and we already rejected and we don't hold the support. I will be watching this one. Thank you for the heads up because this one is really interesting because the volume is dropping and we have a resistance. So the price will go down. This will be a really good short trade for this one. What I think about AI, anal, or AL. If you talk about AI is the future, of course. And let's see this one. Okay, for this one I don't like it really. 155 average volume and like we have a lot of wicks here, price jumping, don't holding, there's no support forming. You can't put kind of stop loss target for this one, and it's really crazy. This one we have just massive resistance being tested, will be tested soon around $7.30. Any price go above this will be parabolic, guys. You're gonna see even the 20. Okay, this one I will be extra careful here, and if we get rejected we're gonna see a price parabolic down. Okay, so be careful. Just one price for this one I can see, the $7.30. A big rejection or a big explosion, just this level. Okay, Beater LKCO $1.50 at 1230k shares. Naked, yes. Naked, we have a bit of selling pressure right now covering Naked. This is crazy what happened to Naked. We have a potential for the price to go higher, but we have a lot of short interest for Naked because it's been down a while. Just think about it, guys. When the price is down, you know what's happened for the stock, like for months. What happened for the stock? Usually when the price go up again, it have a lot of short interest, because as I said, people will just want to cut their losses, not even take a profit. You know, this is even dangerous. Okay, so even if the fundamental is good, everything is good, but the stock has been trending down for a while, for months, this is will have a massive psychological level around the investors, and any spike in the price we're gonna see a selling pressure. So if we go just to Naked and check what's going on with the price, yeah, look, we hit with the target. That's why we have a lot of resistance, guys. I can't help it, you know. That's why we have a lot of testing area and the rejection area. You see, when I told you around the 0.74, I'm not kidding. Okay, this is a massive rejection area I can see. That's why the price went down, and right now we buying pressure around the 0.64. Okay, so for Naked, this is it, guys. We need to hold above this level, the 0.64. This is really important. The midway level, this one is really important. If we lose this momentum, it will be really bad for Naked. Okay, this is it if we want to see the $1. Simple as that. If we hold the 0.64, we're gonna see a break for this time, the 0.74, and go at least around the 0.90, 0.88. We need to hold this level. Simple as that for Naked. Okay. Yeah, Enel, I don't know, like what you said. AL, is that the name of the stock? Okay, this is actually, yeah. Let me see if we cover it. No, we didn't cover this one. Yeah, this one is new. Okay, so yeah, this one has been downtrending for a while. However, we have a really good earning for this one. Yeah, and the price is holding this level pretty good. Yeah, we have a big volume explosion for this one. Yes. Okay, for this one I'm really interested in. If we hold the 44, and we're gonna see a spike for the price in really in this month, maybe around the around the 76. Really good trade for this one. If we just hold this level, yes, almost 70%, really pretty good. Or around this level, the first, if we want to be extra careful, would be around the 59. Yeah, 59. Yeah, the 59 will be really good taking profit for this one. If we just hold this level, guys, because we have a gap down right now, we need to hold the 44. If we don't, it would be really bad. If we hold it, would be really pretty good in order to see a bounce at least for the 59. And if we're lucky, we're gonna see the 76. Perfect juicy target for it. Yes. Oh, BTCM. Yes, it's really crazy. Wow. Let me check. Because they have a lot of news about going to the Nasdaq, okay? Let me check. Boom, no, not here. Wow. Yeah, it's exploded, guys, from our resistance. Oh, this one exploded, guys. Ah. Why, Nicole? Why you didn't tell me just 1 hour before? Just this hour exploded. Just 1 hour. Oh, if you told me just 1 hour before, it was perfect trade. This one, it was perfect. Yes, it exploded. So this one, yes, is gonna test. Right now we test around the 13. Maybe we have a target for this one around the 15. Okay, for this one will be perfect taking profit around this area. Yes, this one will be perfect. Crazy, Nicole. How did you know about it? Okay. Crazy this one. We've been testing, Nicole, we've been testing like the resistance that we talked about lately, and we explode from it. That's how it is. And pom CPRT. What else? Briar, can you Q deal, please? Bitcoin mining stocks. Yes. Acting weird. Acting weird how? You mean in the price action or? Okay, this is one. Yes, this one been asked by our Hunter on Patreon, and it has strong catalyst actually. That's why the price been going up right now. And this has been asked before, around the 116. We predicted the support here around the 105. And yeah, for this one, if we have a really good run up for this one, I will be my eyes closed and around this area 175 before the 200. Okay, we're gonna see a test pretty soon for this level. And this one, yeah, it's really pretty good, this one. %31 right now. Let me see OCGN. Oh man. Yeah, OCGN is ready to explode as well, guys. It's near the testing area. Near the explosion area. Look. It's perfect. You're gonna see the price go to the 9 pretty soon for this one if we hold this level. Will be the same scenario as happened for BTCM. Near and like the price is squeezing here, then bumping. Okay, what else? Okay. Oh yeah, for this one, let me just get right for this one. Okay, a big sell-off, and this one. Guys, MAT we already covered it in the beginning of the video, and again I'm gonna do a video especially for MAT after the live streaming. So don't worry, I will cover you up for MAT, of course. Okay. We already covered this one. For this one I see a massive volume drop, so be extra careful. If we just break again the $6.26, is mean we get heading toward the $4.20 this time. Just be extra careful from this one. If we just close below the $6, because I see the volume drop, and for this one is already down, guys. SPRT have a massive sell-off today. Okay. Yes, for Lucid, yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, AMC is still holding around the 44, and okay. Okay guys, I will try to do more of the live streaming, and again check the Patreon in comment section guys below if you want pre-market update for your favorite stock and if you want to hunt with us. And I will cover MAT after this live streaming, so stay tuned for that. And if you have a question, just let it in a comment section below. I will be more happy to answer you. And you can find all the stock that we cover before in this live streaming. Just after this live streaming, you can go back and check it again. So see you guys in the next video.